Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So I had posted earlier that there were going to be some upgrades to Rusty Nuts. And even though Rusty Nuts has needed some attention for some time, I've continued to just wash it and drive it and enjoy it. I've let a couple of my friends drive it. Joey and his wife took it on Power Tour one year. It's kind of been just dependable. I don't know how safe it's been, but it's just been completely dependable and a good time to drive. Like I said, we've been giving it a bath. I've done a bunch of upgrades to it already. I put a new roof on the thing, or repaired the old roof and painted it. I've done some suspension work. Got a little tune going on with the motor. The AC blows ice cubes. It's a typical story of when you get something kind of cool, and then you come across a good motor for it. You put the thing together, you make it run and drive, and, let's get in the wind. Let's start cruising. The second thing you think about after you put it all together is it would be awesome if this thing could stop. And maybe the third thing you think about is it would be awesome if every day was an arm day because there's no power steering. So I finally got it figured out and partnered up with I Did It and ePass and Wilwood and Quick Performance, and I've done some pretty hefty upgrades on this thing. So this is the latest upgrade right now is the Wilwood disc brakes for the front with the 6-piston calipers. Let's get these things on. Not terrible. This is all new when this party started. So there's a lot of dust in there. You see, this is all brand new screen. Saw a little heat. You know, no matter how hard you try, you can't do this without getting greasy. We busted out the cool little grease compressor, smasher, force pressure, grease bearing injector. You still got a mess. I don't know what that thing's called. Automatic bearing greaser?
Something like that.
Might as well just wear it. Own it and wear it. Might as well. What the hell?
That's pretty steep.
But just for the visual.
Man, that looks awesome. Put the counter screws in. This is actually the right front rotor. These are directional rotors. They actually have a little arrow on them. There it is, facing the absolute wrong direction.
Okay, so today's test drive may be just a little bit time-lapsed, but I was driving whatever the posted speed limit was, so just imagine that. Also, the e-Pass power steering made it an absolute just joy to drive. I did most of this drive with one hand. In addition to that, the install wasn't complicated at all with the ideated steering column, and the Wilwood brakes kept me safe all day long, absolutely stress-free. Thanks a lot for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.